Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the details that matter most in beauty and beyond. Let's talk about something that's an essential part of our daily routine, but often gets overlooked: the toothbrush. I'm reviewing the Oral-B Pulsar Advanced All-in-One Soft Toothbrush today. If you're looking for a way to improve your brushing experience, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a review like this. The Oral-B Pulsar Advanced All-Off Toothbrush is designed to elevate your daily brushing routine. This set comes with 2 brushes, each equipped with sonic bristles that vibrate to help polish away surface stains and remove plaque, especially in those hard-to-reach areas. It's battery-powered, so no need to worry about charging. Just replace the batteries when needed. The key feature here is its sonic bristle technology, which allows for gentle yet effective brushing. These vibrations help clean your teeth more thoroughly compared to a manual toothbrush. The claim is that it will help give you whiter teeth by removing surface stains, which is something many of us look for in our daily oral care products. I've been using this toothbrush for a couple of weeks, and I have to say, the first thing I noticed was how gentle it felt on my gums, while still delivering a thorough clean. The sonic vibrations definitely make a difference in how the brush feels against your teeth. It's a different experience from what you'd get with a regular manual toothbrush. I noticed a cleaner, smoother feeling after brushing, especially in areas that are typically harder to reach. It also works well for polishing away light surface stains. As for the design, the toothbrush has a comfortable grip, which is important for maintaining control while brushing. It doesn't slip or feel awkward in my hand. The soft bristles make it a good option for those with sensitive gums, but it's still effective enough to remove plaque. Now let's talk about some pros and cons. On the plus side, the vibration feature is a real game changer. It really helps to remove plaque and surface stains in a way that's both gentle and effective. Plus, I love the convenience of not having to worry about charging it. It's a simple, no-fuss experience. On the downside, since it uses batteries, you will need to replace them periodically, which adds a small ongoing cost. Also, while it does help with surface stains, don't expect it to work miracles on deep-set stains or more serious whitening needs. If you're looking for a toothbrush that's more specialized for whitening or deep cleaning, this may not be your first choice. Is this toothbrush worth the price? When you factor in the ease of use, convenience, and the gentle yet effective cleaning it provides, I'd say it's a fair value. It's not the most expensive toothbrush out there, but it gets the job done without the complexity of high-tech models. If you're looking for something simple but effective, it definitely holds its own. If you're eyeing alternatives, there are similar options available at a similar price point. For example, there are manual brushes with soft bristles designed for gentle plaque removal. But if you're craving a little extra help from sonic vibrations, this set is a solid choice without going all in on pricier electric options. In terms of build quality, the toothbrush is sturdy for a battery-operated model. The handle is durable, and the brush head has a good amount of flexibility. I haven't noticed any issues with wear and tear after using it for a while, so it seems to hold up well. So what's the final verdict? The Oral-B Pulsar Advanced All-in-One Soft Toothbrush is a great option if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use toothbrush that delivers a more thorough clean than manual brushing. It's gentle, effective, and convenient, making it ideal for anyone seeking a fuss-free upgrade to their oral care routine. However, if you're looking for advanced whitening or an electric toothbrush with more customization, you might want to explore other options. Thank you so much for tuning in to Beautyistic today. If you're interested in trying the Oral-B Pulsar, the link is in the comments below. And if you've already used this toothbrush, drop a comment to let me know how it worked for you. I love hearing your experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.